The Sealey Premier Super Rocket Lift range of transmission jacks. The jacks are available in 300, 600 and 1000 kilogram capacities. As this demonstration illustrates, the rocket lift system requires only 20 pumps to achieve its maximum height, which is under half the time taken by a conventional jack. This reduces the time and effort in raising the saddle to the gearbox. It then slows to a conventional speed for safe controlled lifting. The jack has a spring-loaded dead man's safety release control. This invaluable safety feature decreases the risk of inadvertently lowering the jack. A range of optional accessories are available, increasing the versatility of these tools. This replacement saddle is ideal for supporting fuel tanks, suspension components and, as shown here, exhausts. The DPH09 drain pan support enables a transmission jack to be used to drain coolant using the DRP04 and engine oils using the DRP05. The ADT3 gearbox support is fully adjustable and incorporates a tilt facility for more awkward shaped gearboxes. Also available in the rocket lift range are trolley jacks, engine cranes and bottle jacks.